Hi everyone. So today's video is sort of a little randomish video. So a lot of you were asking me to show you my current skincare routine after I had done my skincare routine on Instagram using the Dr. Belmer skincare products. Now, apart from that, there are a lot of other products that I use on an everyday basis. So I thought instead of showing you my skincare routine, why not I should show you my entire stuff, like my entire skincare stash that I have inside the washroom and outside the washroom as well. So basically, while bathing and after bathing. So I think it's going to be really interesting. You're going to just have a sneak peek of everything that I have and everything that I'm currently using. So yeah, let's begin. Also like using these sheet masks a lot. I have a huge collection of them. Majorly all the Nika variants are here. But yeah, they are true love. I also use these compressed sheet masks and I create a lot of masks at home on my own. And I also use this facial brush for my skin just to get rid of all the dead skin cells and to really thoroughly clean the facial skin. So yeah. So this is where I come to for my everyday skincare routine. A lot of things are kept here, and the rest of the things are kept inside the room. So this is the everyday face wash that I really like using. This is the La Roche-Posay Fleur Foaming Gel. It's really good for sensitive skin, and my skin has really become oily these days. This is the hair oil that I'm currently using. It's the Vatika Coconut Hair Oil. This is just Listerine. This is my current body lotion. This is the Pink Magnolia by Bath and Body Works. This is a spare body wash by the Body Shop. My talcum powder. Then this is just a mixing bowl wherein I make all my DIY face packs. This is something that I've recently started using. It's the Neoveda's like a hair cream. What you have to do is just put this in your scalp every night, and this really helps in hair growth and reducing hair fall. This is the Micellar Cleansing Water by Garnier. I love this. I really love this. It takes off the makeup like a charm. This is a perfume. Then this is my absolute favorite body mist, again by Bath and Body Works. This is the chamomile and honey variant. And this one is a face scrub by Kio, which has caffeine in it. Really nice to get rid of all the dead skin cells and tanning. Now, this one is a hair mask. I really suggest all of you to get your hands on this. If you are looking for hair growth, this one has a lot of good ingredients like amla, rita, shikakai, brinj raj, neem. So this is really good for controlling hair fall and just getting the uh, hair shine and everything. And moving here, this is my bathing area wherein I use my shampoo and conditioner. This is the Siri Expert by L'Oreal, which I'm using. This is for instant reconstructing and for damaged hair. This is another face wash that I like to use, so I keep switching between both the face washes. This is the City Pollution Defender Cleansing Gel. Again, really nice for all skin types, especially for sensitive skin. This is my current favorite, the Wanderlust Japanese Cherry Blossom Body Wash. Then I have two body scrubs. This one is the Blueberry Body Scrub by Body Shop. And the other one is this is actually a cellulite scrub by Okra Tree. I really hope I'm pronouncing it right. Now, let's get inside the room and see my skincare routine. So, some of my skincare routine products that I've kept in the room, which I use after I've taken a bath. So, I'm just going to start from here. This is my current night cream that I'm using by Everyouth. This is chocolate and cherry, and it's really good. I'm currently super tanned after I've come from Sri Lanka, so I'm really grateful of using this, to be honest. This is a cleansing oil which has apple seed, and this is by Innisfree. So I use this to get rid of all my makeup at times, and also to basically cleanse my skin using this oil. It's really good to cleanse your skin with oil at times. This is my absolute favorite. This is the natural aloe vera and cucumber soothing gel. It's so soothing, especially for summer season. It's really nice. So as you all know, I have a little bit of dark circle issue. So I'm currently using the Kiehl's Creamy Eye Treatment, which has avocado in it. And it's working really well for me. You just need a very tiny bit of it and just apply it onto your under eye area. Then for the pimples, when I get them, I use this acne care, which is a 3-day course. It has clove and menthol, and it's really effective. This is a blueberry lip balm. And then this one is my cuticle cream by Bird Peas. So I make sure to apply this at least once a week after I've removed my excess cuticles. This is how do I explain? This is like a face mask by Forest Essentials. So just apply it onto your face and then rinse off with water. And then over here, this is my sunscreen that I was applying in Sri Lanka. It's almost over. This is SPF 50 and it's all natural. So it's very nice. This one is by Wow. Then I have another sunscreen by Lotus, which is SPF 40. And then I have this face toner. It's a great product, trust me. I mean, this is by Kama. It is pure rose water and it smells so nice. Gives me a quick pick me up. This one is my current body butter that I'm using by Body Shop. This one is in the Shea range. Then I have another skin toner by La Roche-Posay. It's the clarifying moisturizing lotion. Apply it with the help of a cotton pad, especially for oily and acne-prone skin. This is another face toner by Blossom Culture Aroma Magic. This is the Moringa one. It refines and rebalances the skin, and it's for combination skin type. So that's majorly all the things that I use after I've taken the shower. I also like using this Nika's hand and nail cream. This is the Magnolia and White tea one. I absolutely love using this every day whenever my hands feel a lot drier. So I hope you enjoyed this very quick video and let me know your current favorite skincare products that you use for your skin. I would really like to know them. And hit the bell button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the like button. And I will see you very, very soon. Bye.